Hi everyone, welcome to Visual Basic tutorial. In this tutorial, we were going to make our first program in Visual Basic. Okay, let's start. First, open your Visual Basic. The upper left, click File, New Project. Okay, then we will choose Windows Form Application. But first, we have to select what language we were going to use. Okay, click this Visual Basic. Then we can enter the name of our project. Okay, I'm going to rename it as BB Hello World. Then click OK. Okay, we can see here the toolbox. This toolbox, this is where we can see the button, text box, list box, checkbox, and other tools we needed. Just click and drag this to our form. Okay, then this is the properties of each tools. Then you have to see. Okay, now we're going to drag the button here. Rename, change the text here, change the font. Okay, then you can change the font color here. I'm going to use red. Next, I'm going to drag the text box here. Okay, this is the properties of the text box. It was named text box 1. Okay, we're going now to put the functions to make the hello world pop out. Okay, now we were going to call the text box 1 dot text equal hello world. Okay, so when we click this button, hello world will show in the text box. Oops, for error. Okay, now let's debug. Just click this green tools here. Okay, now let's click this one, and then alright, the hello world will show. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. See you on next tutorial. Thank you.